Good morning. Today's review for Shopify is how to import products using AliExpress, Temu, or something else. You're going to look at, in this tutorial, how to learn how to use DSers as a third-party shipping app. So we're going to go to the Shopify store. You already have your store connected. If not, there's a link below on how to get started with Shopify, and you can watch the other tutorials on how to set up your Shopify store and add a general product and get started today. Now, since you've already gone through all those steps, I'm going to go in how to tie a Shopify app for drop shipping from AliExpress into your Shopify store. First, you're going to go to the Shopify App Store after you already have your store enabled, and you're going to install DSers through AliExpress drop shipping. The reason why we like this, it comes in different languages. You have AliExpress, Tall Loom Box, drop shipping, free to install. It's about $19 a month, $20 a month. And the features on here, it's highly recommended in Shopify and WooCommerce and all their products. It's easy to import products, and I'm going to show you an example of how to do that. So if we go to AliExpress, we find a product that we want to import. And I'm going to show you how I search. So if I look for iPhone case flag in here, I want to go by orders to make sure that the most are sold. You don't want to start with a vendor that only has 8 sold, 3 sold. That's not like a good vendor. You want to make sure you have a good vendor. So I'm going to be using this American flag iPhone case. We're going to import this. And it looks like it's available. It takes about 16 days to ship. It's available for my cases that I want to install. It's got good reviews. I'm going to close out of that. So I take my link to this page and then I open up my DSer store. So you're going to see my information on here. And I go into my import list and then I paste this. And you can see I've already created some other products in here. Oh, see how easy it is for me to import that product? Now I have the product that I selected to be imported, and now I go to prices and I make my adjustments to my prices. I change the description. You can use AI, but it's a higher package that I'm going to use, so I'm not going to change that. So I'm going to change the title in here. I'll call, let's see, I'm going to do, there's 250 variants. Shopify has 100 variant limit. So I usually break these down for the price or select the only products I want to install. So right now I'm just going to do for 7 to 12. Here's my variants. And here I'm going to change the price. So right here we have the shipping cost. We have the shipping cost. That's the product price plus shipping. Then we have our total cost. We're paying $5 for this. We can change this profit margin to 80%. I'm going to sell the phone case for $25. You can lower it to $20 if you like. I'm going to add the compare price. That's going to allow me to show the compare price. I'm going to scroll down here and change this for all products. And then I'm going to save. Go back to my product and edit. Now I'm going to change the description. Sometimes it has 2 boxes that has all this information in. You want to rechange all this information right here. We're going to delete this. Delete this. Delete all of that. Okay, so I have my description. I'm going to change this later. Now what I'm going to do is go over here and select what phone version. Since I'm doing iPhone 7 to 12, you can see down here how many variants. Remember, Shopify has 100 variant a limit. So we're just going to add, we can do iPhone 6. Let's see, am I at 40? Where's 8? iPhone 8. iPhone 10, 11, 10. I'm almost there at the limit. I'm not going to do 12 because it's going to push me over the limit. So now I'm going to do push variations to store. I'm going to save first. Now it's pushing all these variants to my store. I select my store. You have to connect your store when you install the app, and it's just an easy sync. Whenever you install the application, it'll allow you to connect to your Shopify store. I have 2 stores on here. I'm only pushing to my iPhone cases site. Here's my price. Here's my compare that price. So it shows at a discount. There's my shipping method. Now if I go into my store and go to products, it's loading. There it is. We're going to change this to iPhone 6 through iPhone 11. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use AI to extend this. There we go. Keep. There's my product description. Now I've imported my product. I'm making sure it's on all sales channels. Done. Done. Now I'm going to tag it because I already have my store tagged. I want this to show up in my iPhone. We'll talk about tagging in another tutorial. iPhone 6. This is just, I have this set up for my tags to show up in my product collection categories. So when people search it on my site, it will load. You don't have iPhone 8. Yeah, iPhone 8 is on here. 10, 11. Max. Now I'm going to save this. I have a product tutorial on here that has meta fields, so it shows up as certain meta fields. I'm not going to show you in this tutorial basically what it is. Let's see. I'm going to set it up really quick. Features. Now if I go view store, you will see my product has already been imported. Ready for sale immediately. That is how you use dozers to import products using AliExpress. And when somebody purchases, the orders go through the order. Let's see, through Dozer. We have product research. You can find products. You can import products. And you can also do orders. You can track your open orders that automatically go into AliExpress or Dozer. So you can do the whole order fulfillment process and include tracking. Tracking, what I use for tracking, they have a tracking on here, but I actually use this Parcels app for tracking to send parcels out to. The UI is pretty cool, but you can also generate it through the Dozer app. And that is how you use Dozers to do drop shipping with Shopify. Thank you for your time.